Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the car comprehensively and logging VIN, options, and visible rust. That tells you what parts and bodywork lie ahead. Once done, photograph every panel and interior area to track progress and mistakes. Make a realistic dollar and time budget because overruns kill projects. Prioritize brakes, steering, fuel, and electrical so the car is safe to move. Make sure to obtain shop manuals and basic tools. This prevents guesswork and speeds every following step. You now dismantle with intent. Label, bag, and map every fastener and small part so reassembly is predictable. Once done, focus on drivetrain integrity, measure bearing clearances, replace seals and gaskets, and decide rebuild versus replacement based on wear and cost. Make sure to overhaul suspension, brakes, and fuel systems while panels are off to avoid repeated teardowns. For electrical, convert systems only when necessary, and route grounds and fuses properly so the car will be reliable and safe. You finish with bodywork and paint. Repair rust with welded patches, treat with zinc or epoxy, and only use filler sparingly to preserve sheet metal fit. Once done, prepare and paint. Block sand, clean with tack solvents, then apply epoxy primer, base coat, and clear coat for durable finish. Make sure to reassemble with alignment shims and new fasteners. Finally, test drive and perform systems checks. If issues arise, start troubleshooting grounding points and fuel mixture or float level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.